cryptocurrency? Exciting changes are coming in 2026. Let's find out key trends shaping the crypto landscape. Cryptocurrency has evolved rapidly. In just a few years, it transformed finance, technology, and internet culture. Understanding the trends helps you navigate the future. First, let's talk regulation. Governments are introducing clearer rules for cryptocurrencies. This can boost trust and mainstream adoption. More regulations might mean more legit projects. Next, we have technological advancements. Expect improved blockchain efficiency. Innovations like Layer 2 solutions will enhance transaction speeds. This means faster confirmations and lower fees. Third, we aim for increased usability. Wallets and exchanges are easier to use. User-friendly interfaces will attract newcomers to the crypto world. Now, consider the rise of decentralized finance, or DeFi. Expect more projects offering loans, savings, and trading without banks. This shift empowers individuals and disrupts traditional finance. Additionally, NFTs will continue evolving. New platforms will focus on artistic and real-world utility. Expect unique ways to buy, sell, and trade digital assets. To sum up, in 2026, expect clearer regulations, improved technology, usability, expanding DeFi, and evolving NFTs. These trends will shape our financial future. Stay informed about these changes. Follow reliable crypto news sources regularly. Join the conversation and prepare for an exciting crypto journey ahead. Exciting progress awaits as we dive deeper into the world of cryptocurrency. The market is not just about coins anymore, it's about a transformative ecosystem that empowers users. Everyone, from beginners to seasoned investors, will find opportunities shaping their experience. Regulations will play a pivotal role in this evolution, creating an environment where innovative projects can flourish while maintaining security for users. With clearer guidelines, investors will feel more confident, paving the way for greater participation in the market. Additionally, as new technologies emerge, they will complement these regulations, ensuring a robust infrastructure for the cryptocurrency landscape. As we explore further, let's discuss the impact of community engagement. In 2026, social platforms dedicated to cryptocurrency will foster vibrant discussions and collaborations. These spaces will enable users to share insights, experiences, and strategies, enriching the overall knowledge within the community. Furthermore, as more voices come together, a collective intelligence will emerge, guiding the direction of projects and influencing development priorities. This increased interaction will empower users and strengthen the ties within the crypto ecosystem. Ultimately, a more educated community will not only embrace innovations but also provide constructive feedback, fueling the evolution of the space. By staying active and connected, individuals can help shape a more inclusive and forward-thinking cryptocurrency landscape. The evolution doesn't stop there. Gamification will also change how we engage with cryptocurrencies. Expect more platforms to integrate game mechanics, where users earn rewards through participation. This shift will attract a diverse audience and promote the playful exploration of digital assets. As the lines between finance and gaming blur, learning about cryptocurrency will become a more engaging experience for everyone involved. As we look ahead, it's essential to embrace the changes on the horizon and remain adaptable. By understanding these trends, together we can foster a stronger, more inclusive cryptocurrency environment in 2026. Exciting possibilities await, and the journey ahead promises innovation and greater financial freedom for all. In this evolving digital landscape, the importance of education cannot be overstated. Individuals who take the initiative to learn about cryptocurrency, whether through online courses, webinars, or community events, will be better equipped to navigate the complexities of this growing market. By fostering a culture of continuous learning, we can empower a new generation of crypto enthusiasts and investors, preparing them to capitalize on emerging opportunities and challenges alike. As they grow their knowledge, they will also contribute valuable insights and ideas that can help drive the industry forward, transforming perceptions and encouraging innovation. Moreover, building strong networks within the cryptocurrency community will be crucial. Collaborative projects, partnerships, and joint ventures can amplify reach and resources, driving impactful innovation. As users engage with one another, they can share best practices, identify potential pitfalls, and develop strategies to leverage their collective strengths. This sense of camaraderie will cultivate a supportive ecosystem where creativity thrives, ultimately benefiting all participants. Such collaborative efforts are not merely beneficial but essential in a landscape that is constantly evolving, allowing pioneers and newcomers alike to form alliances that may transform the future of digital finance. It is through these connections that the cryptocurrency community will navigate uncertainties, adapt to changing regulations, and embrace new technologies while maintaining a collective vision for progress. Only by fostering a united front can we face the challenges ahead and ensure a resilient, dynamic cryptocurrency market that serves everyone's interests effectively. In addition to education and collaboration, the importance of advocacy cannot be overlooked. As we collectively push for positive change, individuals should lend their voices to issues that matter within the cryptocurrency ecosystem. This can include promoting regulatory reforms that protect consumers without stifling innovation, as well as advocating for fair access to financial tools and technologies. By actively participating in discussions with policymakers and industry leaders, advocates can help shape a more equitable future for all, ensuring that the benefits of cryptocurrency extend beyond a select few and serve the broader community. Through synchronized efforts, we can build a landscape rich in opportunities, collaboration, and innovation for future generations. Consequently, as we envision the future, nurturing these elements will be vital in propelling the cryptocurrency ecosystem forward. Each component, from education to collaboration and advocacy, interacts to create a holistic environment where everyone can thrive. Adapting to and embracing these changes will not only influence individual experiences but will also contribute to a resilient framework that supports innovation while prioritizing security and inclusivity. By taking proactive steps today, we are setting the stage for a vibrant and equitable cryptocurrency landscape in the coming years, ensuring that all participants, regardless of experience, can partake in its exciting journey towards progress and financial empowerment. As we embrace this transformative wave, a crucial aspect to consider is the integration of ethical practices into cryptocurrency initiatives. In 2026, expect enhanced focus on sustainability and social responsibility, where projects strive to minimize their environmental impact while promoting equitable outcomes. This shift will not only attract ethically conscious investors but also foster trust within communities, ensuring that the evolution of cryptocurrency aligns with broader societal values. By prioritizing ethical considerations, the industry can reinforce its legitimacy and create a more favorable perception among skeptics, ultimately paving the way for sustained growth and innovation. Moreover, these efforts will encourage a sense of responsibility among users to consider the implications of their investments, forging a cryptocurrency landscape that advocates for a better future for all, and supports both economic and ecological well-being. In conclusion, the future of cryptocurrency in 2026 promises a landscape defined by growth, collaboration, and ethical practices, paving the way for a more inclusive and responsible financial ecosystem. By actively participating in this transformation, we can collectively embrace the opportunities ahead and ensure that the benefits of cryptocurrency resonate throughout society. As we move forward, let us remain vigilant to the changes inspiring progress and innovation for all, fostering a community where users are empowered to shape their financial futures. The journey to a brighter financial horizon has only just begun. As the industry progresses, these essential elements will create a thriving ecosystem characterized by trust, collaboration, and respect for ethical standards. In addition to these foundational aspects, communication will play a pivotal role as the cryptocurrency community expands. As platforms evolve, they will foster dialogue that is transparent and inclusive, allowing diverse voices to be heard and respected. Through open communication, we will cultivate an environment where innovation thrives and users can navigate the complexities of cryptocurrency with confidence. By embracing transparency and inclusivity, we will together forge a future marked by collaboration and shared success, ensuring that every participant in the ecosystem can realize their full potential. As we anticipate these exciting developments in the cryptocurrency sector, it's essential to acknowledge the role of education in fostering a well-informed community. Individuals will have access to various resources, including online courses, webinars, and workshops specifically designed to demystify the complexities surrounding digital assets. Such knowledge-sharing initiatives will empower participants to make informed decisions, create innovative solutions, and actively engage in the evolving landscape. As more people understand their options, they will become advocates for responsible practices and contribute to building a more robust infrastructure for cryptocurrency. Thus, a culture of continuous learning will emerge, benefiting not only the individual but the community as a whole. Moreover, as we explore further into 2026, the relevance of community networks cannot be underestimated. By maintaining strong connections within the cryptocurrency landscape, users can work together to share insights and experiences, ultimately fostering a sense of belonging that encourages collaboration. This interconnectedness can lead to partnerships that drive innovative projects forward, making it imperative for participants to engage actively within these networks. Users will not only benefit from access to diverse perspectives and expertise but also cultivate an environment where new ideas and solutions can flourish. Together, they can navigate challenges, create impactful initiatives, and contribute to a thriving ecosystem that prioritizes inclusivity and growth. As we delve deeper, we must also recognize the significance of advocacy within the cryptocurrency community. By standing up for crucial issues, members can push for meaningful regulatory reforms that protect consumers while fostering an environment ripe for innovation. This will include emphasizing the importance of transparency and accessibility, ensuring that everyone has a fair chance to engage with digital finance technologies. Advocates will share knowledge with policymakers, aiming not only to inform but to inspire a shift that benefits the broader society and allows diverse voices to resonate within the dynamic world of cryptocurrency. In addition to advocacy, social responsibility is becoming increasingly prominent within the cryptocurrency ecosystem. As users prioritize ethical considerations, they will demand that projects demonstrate accountability in their practices, focusing on sustainability and positive societal impact. This expectation will challenge developers to innovate in ways that align their initiatives with broader values, appealing to a conscientious market that seeks both profits and purpose. By championing ethical frameworks, the community will cultivate trust and legitimacy, encouraging widespread adoption and participation, while ensuring that the growing influence of cryptocurrency leads to beneficial outcomes for all stakeholders involved. Ultimately, the integration of ethics and responsibility into the fabric of the cryptocurrency landscape will redefine industry standards, promoting an environment where innovation thrives alongside social good. As we look towards 2026, it's also vital to consider the role technology will play in reshaping the cryptocurrency landscape. Innovative advancements are set to enhance security protocols, which will be paramount in protecting users and their assets. Enhanced encryption methods will safeguard transactions, while decentralized identity solutions will ensure privacy and prevent fraud. These technological improvements are expected to build greater trust among users, fostering an environment where more people feel confident participating in the cryptocurrency space. Ultimately, this technological evolution will be a key driver in facilitating widespread adoption and acceptance of digital currencies within everyday commerce and financial transactions. As advancements unfold, it's increasingly clear that the intersection of technology and user experience will significantly shape the crypto landscape. The user interfaces of wallets and trading platforms will evolve to be even more intuitive, allowing both newcomers and seasoned investors to navigate the space seamlessly. Simplified onboarding processes and guided tutorials will eliminate barriers, encouraging more users to take the plunge into cryptocurrency. This focus on accessibility will empower individuals from diverse backgrounds to explore the possibilities of digital assets and financial freedom, enriching the community as a whole. In addition to fostering a culture of continuous education and networking, the cryptocurrency space will see an explosive growth in gamification, which will revolutionize user engagement. By integrating game mechanics, these platforms will offer incentives that allow participants to earn rewards for their involvement and achievements. This entertaining approach will not only attract a broader audience but also facilitate learning about cryptocurrencies in a fun and rewarding manner. As users complete tasks, participate in challenges, and engage with content, they will gain knowledge while enjoying the process. In 2026, the cryptocurrency ecosystem will embrace a paradigm shift, integrating ethical practices as a core component. The community will prioritize sustainability, ensuring that innovative projects not only achieve financial success but do so in a manner that respects ecological boundaries and promotes social equity. This commitment to ethics will foster trust, encouraging skeptical individuals to explore and adopt digital assets more freely, ultimately transforming the landscape. As more users prioritize these values, developers will be challenged to create solutions that reflect their community's aspirations, aligning profit with purpose and paving the way for groundbreaking advancements. As we explore the intricacies of this evolving environment, the integration of community feedback will be paramount. Developers and project leaders will actively seek input from users, recognizing the wealth of knowledge found within the collective experience of the community. This collaborative dialogue will drive product enhancements and inspire new features tailored to meet the needs of everyday participants, resulting in a more adaptive and responsive cryptocurrency ecosystem.